this is how to solve using the quadratic formula. First, what is the quadratic formula? It's negative b plus or minus square root, I'll show you after, b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now our problem is x squared minus 3x minus 4. Now to first solve the using the quadratic formula, we must find out what a, b, and c are.
Wait, is that the lady? And I know the answers.
Okay.
What is for a?
A is the coefficient before x squared. In this case, 1. B is the coefficient in x. In this case,
Negative 3.
Good. Because it's negative because you see the minus.
Negative 4 is the next one.
Same goes for the next one. Negative 4. Now, to use the quadratic formula, we need to plug in these numbers now.
Wait, I never closed up.
So, negative b, what's negative 3?
Negative
or
3
also known as
0.
the opposite.
3. I just get it.
3 plus or minus b squared. Okay, so b is negative 3 squared. Minus 4a is 1. 1c is negative 4. All over 2a. Now, since we plugged in the numbers, we need to find what those numbers are by simplifying them.
Simplify. I hate simplifying.
Okay, whatever. So what's negative 3 squared? Paper. What's negative 3 squared?
I don't know. I'm only in 4th grade.
What's a negative 3 times negative 3?
3.
No, negative 3 times. What's 3 times 3?
9.
Okay, it's always forget about the negatives whenever you're squaring something. All right, now what's 4 times 1? Negative 4 times 1?
4. Negative.
Good, negative 4. What's negative 4 times negative 4?
Negative 4 times negative 4 is negative 16.
No, negative times negative equals positive. So
16.
positive 16. Good. Now 2 times 1? Good. All right. Now let's try to find out what the radical is. 3 plus or minus. 3 plus or minus. What's 9 plus 16?
9 plus 16 is 25.
Good. Okay, so what's the square root of 25? What times itself equals 25, Jody?
5.
Good. 5 over 2. Now close up.
Boop.
Now this is our final step.
Final.
Oh my god. Okay. So now we have plus and minus because in the quadratic formula. Quadratic means 2. So we must always get 2 answers. So let's do plus first. 3 plus 5 over 2. So what's 3 plus 5?
8.
8 over 2, also known as 4. And the next one is 3 minus 5 over 2.
What kind of fraction?
What's 3 minus 5? What's 3 minus 5?
Negative 2. Right?
Good. Over 2, also known as negative 1. So that means
you get 2 answers.
x equals 4, negative 1. And that is how you solve using the quadratic formula.
That's how you solve it.